Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Downloader on Roku TV. So step 1 is to enable developer options mode or developer mode on Roku. On your Roku remote, press home 5 times, up, right, down, left, up. The developer settings screen will appear. Enable it and take note of the IP address shown. Set a web developer password when prompt. Step 2, install the Downloader app on a computer. Open a web browser and enter your Roku's IP address. Sign in with your developer credentials and upload the download app zip file, which you will need to get from a trusted source. Step 3, use Downloader on Roku. Open Downloader and type in the URL of the app you want to install. Since Roku doesn't support APK files directly, you might need to use screen mirroring from an Android phone or PC instead. So that's it. Roku has its limit, but with this method, you can still get Downloader app and running. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.